Ayan, magkano yung isang kubo-kubo na limahan lang?
3-5 bago 5 person lang.
5 person lang ang
Kung
pwede.
marami
Pag
kayo,
marami kayo at sumobra kayo dyan sa no palm,
ay,
450 pa.
bug,
Added, yan per head. Yan. Kaya bugbog talaga kayo sa gastos. Kailangan talaga may pera kayo dyan sa no palm. Buti na lang meron kaming residente na nakausap dito. Na itinuro lang to, halos katabi lang. Ayan lang yung no palm mo. Ayan, sa halos isang dagat lang ito. Oh, pwede kayo pumunta sa dagat na nila pag nag-rent. Ang renta nga pala dito guys is, ayan oh, may nakalagay naman 800 nga lang eh. Ito. Yan oh. Kung nakikita nyo, ayan 800 lang. Kaso nga lang, ito pa lang yung available na cottage nila. Itong
dalawa na. Ay, baga.
dalawa, ginagawa na yung isa. Ayan. Isa, dalawa. Yan, ginagawa na yung ano.
Ayun pa, tatlo.
Kaya kung magno-no-palm na lang, magno-no-palm kayo, dito na lang kayo sa ano. At wala pa kayong, hindi pa siya crowded. Kasi bago pa nga lang siya. At isang dagat lang rin naman ng no-palm nga na sinasabi ko nga kanina pa. Dagat din ng no-palm ang maano mo, lakad ka lang diyan, oh.
No-palm na.
Oh, no-palm na, yung dagat ng no-palm na ano rin, na kilalang kilala rin. Kaya tinawag siyang bakawan kasi marami pong bakawan diyan. Hindi siya guys putik ah. Buhangin siya. Pwede kayong maglakad. Ayun, nakikita nyo doon. Yan, pwede lakaran niya kasi hindi naman siya putik. Buhangin talaga siya. So mamaya papakita ko pa sa inyo doon sa unahan. Lalakad-lakad tayo doon. Kakapilang tayo. Hey! Dito lang yan sa may San Andres, Quezon. Search nyo lang no palm. Katabi lang naman yun eh. Halos eh. Yung no palm nung Bakawan Beach Resort na to eh. 1,000 ang cottage. Tapos 100 ang solar. Kasi may solar sila na ano, yung ilaw. Kailangan mo rin bayaran yun. Pwede siya overnight. Kung gusto nyo mag camping, pwede rin. Yan, camping pwede siya. Pwede kayo dito guys mangilaw ng gabi. Halimbawa may mga pamana kayo, pwede rito guys. May mga dala kayong pamana, pwede kayong mangilaw sa gabi kasi ang dami talagang isda dito. Kasi maraming nangingilaw nga dito ng mga residente sa gabi. Mag-high tide daw to mamaya pang tanghali. Anong oras pa lang? Alas 6 pa lang ata, alas 7. Yan, ito siya guys oh. Ganyan yung ano, hindi siya putik oh. Parang buhangin siya na puti din. Hindi kalulubog. Ayun sila. Saka yung nanay ko. Linaw. Ayan naman yung nupalm guys. Ito lang kabila na yan oh.
Kain ng ano, itlog. Ay ano,
Ayan. Ha, dami tabagwang oh. Oh, yan. Ito lang po yung ano ng nupal mo. Halos magkadikit na dikit lang. Ayan oh. Ito nanay ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ha?
Nagluto ng bihang.
Oh, yun. Ano masala kayo?
May nagbati na
Ha?
ng mga kapatid mo.
Wala pa nga eh.
Wala pa.
Malungkot ka tuloy ngayon.
Mga tulog pa sila
Happy
sa...
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sila sa ano.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Ayan yun no, palm guys. Ano.
60.
Babalik ka pa dito.
Oo.
Ay, kain muna kayo, almusal muna kayo dun. Biruin mo yung cottage lang nila is 3,500. Yan. 3,500 ang ano nila, 3,500 ang cottage. Tapos pan 5 tao lang yun. Ay paano kung marami kayo? Yung susobra doon 450 per head. Ay di para kayong na hold up nun. Yan lang naman guys, ano lang, totoo lang tayo sa pagre-review natin. Eh dito sa katabi 1,000 lang. Tapos wala kahit ilan pa kayo dyan. Basta naka ano kayo ng isang kubo na 1,000 lang, eh bahala na kayo dyan. Dito sa katabi lang, ayan lang. Oh. Gilid na gilid lang. Bakawan Beach Resort ang pangalan. At nag-aano pa lang siya, bago pa lang rin siya ngayon na nag-develop. Hindi rin namin alam kung magmamahal din to kapag dating ng panahon na totally develop na rin sila. Parang may cliff jumping doon, oh. May hagdan kasi pababa, tapos parang tinatalo na ata talaga yun.
Life still goes on outside my window. It feels kinda dumb, wishing the world felt it too. But they don't know you. Where do we go wrong? Mountains from molehills and games of telephone. One call with life-changing news out of the blue. And I'm looking back on what we had, the good, the bad, the ugly. And I think I'm just a little glad to know that you once loved me, and it's true. You'll always be with me, 'cause as long as I'm alive, I'm missing you. Even when I'm 50, I'll be replaying those nights. I play 'em on and on and on again. I'll never get tired of them, and I know that it's true. I don't think I'll ever not be missing you. I won't ask questions, I don't want the answers to. I'll settle for the lessons. Some things are better left alone. That's just the way it goes. And I'm looking back on what we had, and yeah, it's kind of funny. You never know quite what you have until you're left there wondering if it's true. You'll always be with me, 'cause as long as I'm alive, I'm missing you. Even when I'm 50, I'll be replaying those nights. I play 'em on and on and on again. I'll never get tired of them, and I know that it's true. I don't think I'll ever not be missing you.
Pagsanay sa talagang ganyan. Yan guys, nag-ihaw kami sa electric fan. Ito yung magaling namang ihaw namin. Ito, happy birthday. Kantaan nyo naman si mama ng happy birthday, uy. Dito kayo lahat. Kantaan nyo si mama ng happy birthday.
Ano muna kayo ng cupcake doon?
Cupcake. Ayan, ang laki ng electric fan, oh. Cupcake na. Naka-video ako. Para yung ma-experience nila.
Parang may crab. Di mo nagabula eh. Yan lagayan namin. Patingin daw. Ayun! Ayun! Yun! Laki! Laki! Nandito siya. Ayun! Nandito. Hindi! Meron pa to! Ganito! Yun!
Wala lang yan. Asa yung lalagyan mo siya?
Wala ko yung
Tupo.
may maliit na na.
Nagre-record pa? Patay na. Yo, yung mga bata. Parang white sand din pala to.
Ay, kaya tayo dito.
Magandang umaga po.
Mainit natin.
Yun, white sand din talaga guys. Maganda rin talaga dito. Yun nga lang, medyo may mga basura sa mga gilid-gilid.
Wala tubuanin.
Yeah, down by the river, I sit up and watch the willows sway. Hook my worm as I'm learning, thinking about yesterday. The water's calm and I'm falling, going down memory lane. Can you cast me on back? She took off on the railway, I'm sitting on my tailgate. She was the one that got away. I thought it was the real thing, even bought a real ring. All of the frames on my wall turn gray. Now, every little thing I do makes me think about you. I keep on hooking and sinking, thinking how I keep catching fishes. But my only wish is I can turn back time. Gone fishing out my mind.
Parang human drone.
I got my bait and my tackle the way your dad showed me. I'm at the place that I took you and got down on one knee. And all the bluegills are jumping like that September day. Can you cast me on back? She took off on a railway, I'm sitting on the tailgate. She was the one that got away. I thought it was the real thing, even bought a real ring. All of the frames on my wall turn gray. Now, every little thing I do makes me think about you. I keep on hooking and sinking, thinking how I keep catching fishes. But my only wish is I can turn back time. Gone fishing out my mind, yeah. I've gone fishing out my mind, yeah. She took off on a railway, I'm sitting on my tailgate. She was the one that got away. I thought it was the real thing, even bought a real ring. All of the frames on my wall turn gray. And now, every little thing I do makes me think about you. I keep on hooking and sinking, thinking how I keep catching fishes. But my only wish is I can turn back time. Gone fishing out my mind.
Guys, huwag nyo kong gayahin. Gawain lang to ng mga tamad guys. Pero ito'y gawain ko. Sa loob lang 10 taon ginagawa ko to ha. Huwag nyo kong gayahin. Sarap ng buhay ko, di ba? Huwag nyo gayahin ako kasi tamad ako eh. Pagka may time, gayahin nyo rin ako.
Pakilap kita. Birthday lang ka mo ng mama ko.
Birthday ni mama ko, kaya tamad ako ngayon. Guys, birthday nung nanay ko, kaya tamad ako ngayon. Tamad ako ngayon. Dito lang ako.
Tamad siya ngayon kasi birthday ni Mama. Ayan oh. Ayan guys, oh, yung mga pangka nila oh. Mga mangingisda dito oh. Oh. Led, kaway-kaway sa aking vlog. Ayun oh, may nakadapa-dapa doon. Oh. Janel, ano mo siya, classmate?
Po, classmate.
Eh. sarap mo ng loob. Sarap mo matulog. May nakadapa-dapa. Ito no.